In my previous video last weekend, the ABS fault was caused by damaged wiring. But what if the ABS sensor itself is bad? In this short video, I will show you how to test an ABS wheel speed sensor using a multimeter. First, I will test a good ABS sensor on the front passenger wheel so you can see what a healthy reading looks like. Then I will test a faulty ABS sensor on the rear passenger wheel of the same vehicle. We'll compare the results so you can clearly tell the difference. This simple test will help you determine whether the problem is the sensor or the wiring before replacing any parts. Let's start with the front passenger wheel. This is the ABS wheel speed sensor, and this is the connector where we'll test it from. You may notice some dust around this area. That's normal, especially with the road conditions in this region. Our focus here is the multimeter reading. I've set the multimeter to measure resistance in the ohms range. What we are testing is the internal resistance of the ABS sensor. A good ABS sensor will show a very low resistance reading. As you can see here, the reading is about 0.1 ohms, which confirms that this sensor is in good condition. Always compare your readings with another sensor on the same vehicle. Now let's compare this with the sensor we already know is faulty, the rear passenger side. This is the ABS sensor here. Unlike the front sensor, access to the connector on this one is limited. So we'll test it directly from this section of the wiring where the sensor was previously replaced. As you can see on the multimeter, the reading remains at 1 ohms. The resistance does not drop close to 0. This indicates a high internal resistance, which confirms that this ABS sensor is faulty. This is the kind of real-life diagnosis I do regularly, every weekend. Interestingly, I have another video coming up tomorrow, Sunday, at the same time. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed practical automotive electrical tips like this, subscribe to the channel and stick around. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.